Hello everyone. How are you all? Today we will discuss robots. So first we will know, what is robots? A robot is the product of the robotics field, where programmable machines are built that can assist humans or mimic human actions. Robots all consist of some sort of mechanical construction. The mechanical aspect of a robot helps it complete tasks in the environment for which it's designed. What is a robotics system? Robotic systems are a way of automating manufacturing applications while reducing the amount of labor and production costs and time associated with the process. There are three types of robotic systems: the manipulation robotic system, the mobile robotic system, and the data acquisition and control robotic system. How do robots learn things? It studies techniques allowing a robot to acquire novel skills or adapt to its environment through learning algorithms. Learning can happen either through autonomous self-exploration or through guidance from a human teacher, for example in robot learning by imitation. Is a computer a robot? No, the computer is not a robot. A robot is considered a machine and not a computer. The computer gives the machine its intelligence and its ability to perform tasks. So, why do we need robots? Most robots today are used to doing repetitive actions, or jobs considered too dangerous for humans. Robots are now used in medicine, for military tactics, finding objects underwater, and for exploring other planets. Robotic technology has helped people who have lost arms or legs. Robots are a great tool to help mankind. How robots are controlled. Robots are most often controlled using a tether, wirelessly, or autonomously. Toggle switches on the controller allow you to control the robot without using electronics, and act to connect motors and battery directly. Such robots usually have no intelligence. How can robots help humans? Robots eliminate dangerous jobs for humans, because they are capable of working in hazardous environments. They can handle lifting heavy loads, toxic substances, and repetitive tasks. This has helped companies to prevent many accidents, also saving time and money. How does robotics help the world? Robots facilitate disaster response, augment physical abilities, serve in areas where there's a need for interaction with people, and enable exploration beyond the boundaries of Earth. Robotics has applications not only in the field of manufacturing or assembly lines. Why robotics is important in the future. The use of robotics will increase productivity, and has the potential to bring more manufacturing production work back to developed countries. As productivity increases, labor is likely to receive a significant share of the benefits. Can humans control robots? A brain-computer interface lets people correct robots' mistakes using the power of their thoughts. The system uses electroencephalography to measure a person's brain signals as they watch a robot work. When it detects a signal suggesting the person has witnessed a mistake, it alters the robot's course. One of the most interesting questions: will robots ever feel or have emotions? Robots cannot be emotional. Emotions have a conscious, experiential character. That is, there is something it is like to undergo an emotion. Joy, fear, anger, attraction, irritation, and the like, all feel a certain way. Can robots replace humans in the future? It is possible to expand the scope of RPA by using robots with elements of AI technologies. In this case, the virtual employee, who had hands before, gets ahead for solving more complex/intellectual tasks. For example, organizations are still receiving many unstructured documents from which AI can extract data. Further, this information can be used when entering documents into ECM systems, in which the approval process is organized. Well, the result of everything can be the formation of transactions in the accounting system using software robots. Software robots can be assigned a lot of tasks, in the solution of which they will be effective. And the use of the opportunities provided by AI will not only expand the scope of their application, but will make it an indispensable tool for organizations and IT departments involved in the implementation of information systems, and the automation of business processes. But even when such systems are connected, software robots can only do what is in them. And this is usually a routine. But creative work, a creative view of everything, is what remains for a person, an employee who has been freed from routine. That's all for today. If you have any questions, please comment on the below and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.